Hi, this is a review for the Aeroband Pocket Drum. Drumsticks, and you get foot pedals, which you can attach to your shoes with the foot bands, where you had hi-hat and a bass drum. Also, I'm reviewing the Aeroband speakers, which are absolutely fantastic. You get lights with them as well. And the reactive LED light bar. And there's different modes on it. So you can change the way that the light goes, as you can see. And you can record on it. It reacts to your voice or music. Yep, it's absolutely fantastic. The whole caboodle. I bought these all items all separately, and they are all absolutely fantastic. Also, there's an app you can download with the Aeroband app, and you play along and you learn how to play the drums, a bit like Guitar Hero, only it's drums. It's absolutely wonderful. Also, if you get the adapter, which I've bought, the Aeroband adapter, you can play freestyle. You don't have to do any of that. And you can put your headphones in and away you go playing the drums, which is brilliant. Now I'm doing it in one-handed mode because of the camera, but you can see. It is great, I must say. Now, if I try and put my YouTube on, where are we? YouTube music. Just bear with me 1 minute while we get on the whole YouTube. You can get your music to come through your speakers, but I'm going a bit crazy here, but that's the sort of thing what you get. I mean, it's absolutely fantastic. I can't praise it enough. I mean, I want to say thank you to Aeroband because it's such a fun product. Such a fun product. It's your own virtual drum set. Absolutely amazing. Can't thank it enough. I can't praise it enough. It's just great. I would just definitely recommend buying. You can buy the products separately. You can buy the adapter with the drums, and there's different modes on the adapter as well. You know, this separate, the app you download for free. With the Pocket Drum you get all the instructions and all the wires for charging, everything. Pretty easy to do, pretty easy to set up, and I would just give it an absolute 5 stars. Alright, thanks for listening to my review, and happy playing.